What we're looking at here is the Storm Mate range. Now it is a straight line drainage system. It's perfect for paths and driveways and domestic use. It's a real DIY product. It's fantastic, it solves a lot of problems. Now it'll pick up a fair amount of water because it's still the same width as other products, but it is only 85 mil deep. So you got 190 at the top, 85 depth, and that means less excavation and you'll still be moving the water around. Now if you look at how it works, on the side you've got this honeycomb system. Now that gives it strength so it doesn't have much flex in it, but it also means when you put it on your footings of concrete and then you haunch the side, the concrete goes into all these spots here and it won't go moving on you. They've got interchangeable grates for different looks, so you can go with your stock standard one like this. You can spec it up so someone can walk in their high heels and they're not going to go through it with these ones. Choose other colours, you can even get galvanised and stainless steel. It looks perfect around the edge of a swimming pool. And as far as locking them together, well, it's as simple as A into B. A goes into B to get the water away from your Storm Mate. And underneath each unit, you've got 3 bottom outlets and you can pick your storm water up there. So what you're looking at here is 100% Australian made. It's 100% recycled plastic and it's 100% UV protected. So in other words, it's 100% perfect for the job.